Craig, hey, Craig, what's wrong?
One of my socks are gone forever.
Well, what can we do about it?
Go sock hunting!
Nah, Craig.
What did you get upset about earlier, Craig?
My sock missing.
Wait, what do you want? Oh, okay, here. Hold on. Okay. Craig's still a little upset about this.
Yeah, I found it.
Yeah, you need to hold my hand.
Yes.
What did you get so
I accidentally
upset?
dropped it in the laundry net by mistake.
Yeah, and then we find out and it was... Do you need a hug?
An accident.
I know, it's okay.
An accident, I tell you.
I know. I just want to talk about why did that upset you so much?
I don't know. We still go to the wedding, right?
Yes, we'll still go to the wedding.
Right.
Does it upset you when you have one sock and you don't have a match with it to put it away?
Yes. By mistake.
It's all right. That's just intolerable for you, isn't it?
I know it's intolerable for me.
Because the sock needs its mate.
Yup.
So what are some things we could have done instead of getting so upset?
Going to the YMCA.
Well, that's a good idea because it'll take your mind off of it.
Right.
Or maybe just put that other sock away until we find the mate and not get so upset.
Okay. But I found the mate.
I know, you did find the mate, and you did a good job looking for it, too.
Thank you.
It just took a little bit because it was tricky.
I know, I know.
And now that's all over, and we're going to have a great day, aren't we?
Okay.
It's like they knew Craig was coming. Craig,
Yeah?
one of our viewers wants to know, do you like cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Why do you like dogs?
They're loyalty.
Do you like cats?
Well, yellow cats are annoying. They meow like a baby.
Mean eggs.
Yes.
But our other cats are okay, right?
Yep.
Is that why it drives you crazy when eggs meow so much? Because it sounds like a baby crying?
Yes.
And there's nothing you can do to fix it, right?
Yes.
Should we not talk about Eggs the cat?
Yes.
What is your favorite snack at Disney?
I tell you what my favorite snack is. Baked pretzels.
That's your favorite thing to get at Disney?
Well, there's ice cream and candy.
Are pretzels your favorite?
Yeah, but dipped in cheese.
Why are they your favorite?
Because we ate them at Disney's Hollywood Studios, man.
Yeah, that's what you want to do again, right?
Yeah.
Here's what did you get today, Craig?
The Bacon Deluxe Burger with a side of cheese curds.
That looks pretty good. Let's get a look at that burger. Okay, I'm gonna try it. What do you think? It's too good. He can't give us a review until he had another bite. So, you got here.
Burger ribbon. And next time, don't forget the marinara.
What's that a reference to?
Chow Hound.
The Looney Tunes cartoon? Chow Hound? How is that cheesecake ice cream, Craig?
Tastes
For
good.
some socks?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We want to make sure and get some good ones. Here's the ones I picked out.
Yep.
What do you think? Do those look good?
Yep. They look good for me.
You want to feel them? See if they feel good? What do you think?
Feels good. Good evening, everybody. This is Chef Craig Weber here, and today we're making biscuits and gravy. Here are the ingredients. We got the country gravy mix, the Jimmy Dean sausage, and biscuits.
And what's the first thing that we need to do?
Put the biscuits in the oven.
Well, first I think we'll cook the sausage for the gravy.
Right, the sausage for the gravy.
Okay, while the sausage is cooking, we will get the liquid ready to make the gravy. So we have 2 cups of milk.
Yep.
And we will add 2 cups of water to that. And then pour in the other cup.
Oui, monsieur.
Thank you. All right, that will be all ready for us.
While the sausage is cooking, we line the pan with the parchment paper.
Now, we've got that on the baking sheet, and it will be all ready for the biscuits. We just have to wait for that sausage to cook, Craig.
Right.
Sprinkle the gravy mix over the sausage.
We'll sprinkle the gravy mix.
Yep.
Watch.
Okay. And there's some more gravy mix over there in that bowl because I just dumped it out to look at it. Okay. Put that in too.
All of it?
Yep. And then you pour the milk in, okay? The milk mixture we made.
This one?
Pour the liquid in the measuring cup into the pan. That's the milk and the water that we measured. Whoops. Okay. Now, that's okay. You get me a paper towel so it doesn't splash out. Okay. Now, we just need to wait for it to boil and be ready. How about, while we're waiting on that, you can put the biscuits on the pan.
Okay. 3, 4, 5.
You're doing a good job. Stir the gravy a little bit. See what's happening with the gravy? It hasn't boiled yet. We just keep stirring it. We've got the oven where it's almost preheated to 350, so we will be ready to put the biscuits in. You're doing a good job, Craig. Got our gravy all ready.
Yeah, I want you to know right now. See?
There it is.
Go bite.
All right, see the first bite.
Mmm.
How is it?
Mmm. Delicious. Delicious.
Are you feeling any better, Craig?
Yeah, but feeling any better.
Good. Sounds like your nose is still kind of stuffy, though.
Yeah.
Hopefully tomorrow it'll be done, right?
Right.
So how was today?
It was fine. We went to Aldi's, had Culver's for lunch, go to Marshall's and Hy-Vee. And we made biscuits and gravy.
You really liked that, didn't you?
Yep.
You did such a good job making it.
Yep, I did a very good job. And today's episode is brought to you by Culver's, home of charbroiled burgers. And this is Craigie Favor saying, keep on having a great day.